Is it possible this story is true? Yes, it is.
When the focus and the goal, the aim is not the pursuit of truth, if the commitment is not to truth, there are going to be inherent inconsistencies.
If I say it publicly, it is fair game. It's fair game.
It's totally made up.
Seventh heaven, I'm gonna send you there. If you coming over here to cause confusion, I'm gonna send you right where you belong.
No way.
Amen.
That is, this is why I brought you on, though, bro. You see what I'm saying? Because people need to understand.
It's totally made up.
The gravity of this situation.
Pure fiction.
I mean, this is not a game.
We made it up. Pure fiction.
You having people's lives being affected even a year or so now later.
It's a total fabrication.
And people are still doing what they're doing. The mob is still mobbing.
It's false. It never happened.
And now we're having people now siding with sin. If I say it publicly, it is fair game. Yes, but I don't have a degree. So this is not about what's behind your name, letters or whatnot. No, ma'am, I don't have a degree. The Lord stopped me from getting it. Just a few hours short from getting one. He stopped me because it made me arrogant and prideful. So he hit me where it hurt, and that was in my pocketbook.
It's an urban legend.
I'm trying to stop in mid reading of this thing because it's just comical. Let me ask you a question. David, are you a journalist? Where did you go? Where did you go, David, to get, where do you get your, did you get any type of journalistic experience at all? I'm just curious. I'm just asking because apparently if you have, I would love to see your credits, your credibility in.
Not this time.
So remember I asked you all the question about reason why I do not have public conversations with people who make, the reason why I don't have private conversations, with those who make public accusations.
It's false.
Is because of that verse of scripture right there.
It's an urban legend that never happened.
Acts chapter 16, verses 35 to 37. When Paul and
not a chance.
When Paul and Silas were beaten and the magistrates wanted to take them out the back door, Paul says, no. You're not taking us out nowhere. We're gonna come out the same way we came in, out the front.
Wrong.
You're not gonna beat us, publicly humiliate us and shame us and have us look like we're guilty and then want to try to scurry us on out the back door.
Not this time. Not this time.
So nobody don't know what happened. No. You're gonna take us out the same way that y'all took us in.
It's false. You're wrong.
He is so obvious that people would rather deal with that low-hanging fruit and make that more obvious than what is already obvious.
We made it up. Pure fiction.